Hello friends, Tony here. In this video I'm going to add a delete button, the complete or create for tasks. So we have create, edit and delete, and also we are showing here as a card. I'm going to add the delete right here after the edit. So let's open and we need to open the task list. So come here and say task dash list. Yeah, this one. And first of all, I'm going to remove this if true check. This is for a previous example. So remove that and save. And now let's see in here we have the primary button for the edit. And I'm going to cut or copy this. And paste down there. Change the edit to be delete. And let's save. Come here. Yeah. Here's how it's going to look. We need to change the BG to be red, and also the edit, let's change also for the edit. So let's add BG, we need to add the class first and say BG green 500, and on hover we're going to change that to be BG green 700. Now on the delete we're going to do the same but with red. Okay, paste that in and change the green to be red here, and let's save and let's see now. Yeah, we have something like this. Hover good. Now when we delete, I don't want to dispatch. I want to trigger a action in the task list class. So I'm going to call an action, and I'm going to name that action delete, and we're going to pass the delete the task ID here. So let's say task ID, and not percentage but $, task ID, like this. Now let's open the class and create this delete method there. So task list class, and after this change status, let's create a new method with a name delete. And this delete is going to receive the ID as a property, and here we're going to say $task to be equal with the task find ID, and then delete that. So let's say task delete, and let's save. Let's come here and refresh, and let's see we have 4 tasks for this one, and let's say delete. And yeah, it's deleted, as you can see. Let's delete also this one. Good. Now in many cases, in many websites, you can see when we delete, we have pop up here to confirm the deletion. So for that we can do the same in Livewire, very easy, just by adding wire confirm. Confirm like this, and then you can say are you sure you want to delete this task? Now if I save and come here, let's say delete. Now we have this, are you sure you want to delete this task? Cancel, nothing. If I click again and say okay, it's deleted. Okay friends, one more thing I want to do is let's go to task list, and instead of $ID and find ID here, we can use directly the model. So we can say task $task and remove now this one here, and just say task deleted. Okay, and now it's more simple. Just let's come here and refresh and say delete, cancel, delete, click OK, and now is deleted. But as you can see, this is the remaining one. So we need to update also the component of count component, and we get the tasks from here, from the task list we get. So we have task by status, and we say here persisted to true, and what we need is, we have learned that we need to say onset $this, and the method name is tasks by status. Okay, this is a computed property, and we say persisted true, and now we say $sign this tasks by status like this, and let's say now let's try. Let's come here and refresh first. Okay, let's create 2 more tasks, and yeah, we have 2 done here. Now let's click delete. Okay, as you can see, now we have only 1, and if I click also this one, let's say delete, and now it's updated. Okay friends, that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends. All the best, and see you in the next one.